Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Alright, I'm back, guys. I want to show you, here we go. I want to show you what I'm doing. One of the methods, it's going to be a two-part demonstration. This particular part, I want to show you for the FunnelX, how I am using it and how I'm marketing with it. Okay, twofold. I'm going to show you this way through ringless voice drops, the phone leads, SMS phone leads, and SMS lead networks. And then I'm going to come back and do a part 2 to show you how I'm doing it through Vertex lead system. Okay, so what we got here is I'm a part of FunnelX ROI. It has 4 income streams within it. So if you're looking for a way to make money online, it's definitely great for a newbie, and it saves all of us time, guys, because normally we have to walk all our new folks. I'm in a Wi-Fi location. We have to walk our new folks through how to set up everything when we normally sign them up in our business opportunity. And we get a lot of people that's newbies that's afraid to go online because they're like, well, when I get someone, I'm not going to have to do this too, and walk them through everything, and I don't know what I'm doing. So this is perfect for that. So the newbie person all the way up to the advanced person, this is going to be perfect because it's going to save all of us time on the phone. What's the point of having time freedom if you really don't have time freedom? Because if you're spending your whole day on the phone getting everybody set up on their systems, there's no time freedom. Okay, so anyway, this is perfect. So FunnelX ROI is the system that includes 4 income streams within it. Okay, it covers everything. It has your high ticket, instant cash up front. Then it has your traffic source inside, so you know where to get your traffic from. It has your lead generation. There's a lead generation income stream in there. So just by capturing leads, you're able to get paid off of that. And then your marketing tracking tool. Your tracking tool for your marketing efforts. Okay, so 4 income streams built in the FunnelX ROI. So all you need to promote is one link, and it's going to walk you step by step through how to set this up. Okay, and you make income off all 4 income streams. Okay, up front and then back end residual. So I'm going to show you real quick. Kind of just jotted down some information. Here's my website up here, besteasyworkincome.com. You can reach me here. Okay, so FunnelX ROI. What we doing, and I just did this last week, and I have another one set up to go this week. So you're going to, there's a couple ways you can do this, okay? So don't get caught up in just, I'm going to give you different options. This is one way I'm doing it. I ordered the voicemail drops, the ringless voicemail drops, okay? Where they're going to drop, they're going to dial cell phone numbers, okay? They're not going to ring, they're just going to drop the messages in there. So if someone sees their phone, they're going to see, oh, I missed a call. And actually it will be our message in there. Now, I have an SMS phone number through SMS phone leads. And on my phone number, I have a recorded message that I had a voiceover done professionally. Okay, so it kind of speaks on the program. It's an info line, a sizzle number. And in turn, when they dial that number, if they call it back, it's going to text them my website. Okay, so they're going to drop my phone number into their phone. If they call it back and they go, oh, I missed a call, they call it back, they're going to automatically get my website. Okay? Or the other option is, guys, you can actually take the calls. You can have them do the voice drops, and then you leave a number where they can call you back if they're interested. I would do a Google Voice number. Okay? So that's how you can actually do that. Otherwise, you're going to, you're going to be stuck with these calls. So what you want to do, you get people that go, well, I don't want to really answer any calls. No problem. So have them just drop them in there. And then if the people are interested, they can go through your funnel. Okay. Or if you feel better with them just leaving a message, then you return their call. You can do that either way. Okay. Now, I also have, let me show you this. Before I do that, right here, go to my website, mobilemoney.ws, if you just want the phone lead system. It's $20. Okay. Now, what happens after you send send this information. First of all, I want to shout out to the team that did the voice drops, because they over-delivered. I ordered 100 and they gave me 148. Okay, so after my campaign was over, they emailed me all my phone numbers. So that's the other thing. Once you buy these drops, you will be emailed. It's like a spreadsheet of all the phone numbers. Okay, and then what I did with mine, because I also have, I'm going to come down, it's the other system. I have SMS Leads Network. Okay, you can go to mobilemarketing.ws and get that system. I'm going to show you that real quick. But what I did, okay, after this was all said and done, okay, I went to, after they sent me the spreadsheet, I went to my SMS Leads Network system. Okay, so I'm going to flip over now and show you. Okay, so right here, let me show you real quick here if we can get over there. Okay, we have our SMS phone number, SMS Leads system. This is the $20 deal. I'll show you what it looks like. I'm going to put my link below for this. This stuff, it works systematically, okay? Trust me, it works. It flows. All right, so you get this system here so you can get you a phone number, $20. You set up a recording on this phone number, and that way it automatically texts them back when somebody dials the number or when they call the number, okay? So after all that was done, and they sent me my list, I ordered 100, they gave me 148. So I took those 148, they want a spreadsheet in a CSV file, okay? Looks like an Excel spreadsheet. I went over here to my SMS Leads Network system, which is so awesome. Check it out. Look at all these leads that I've sent out. Okay, so what I did is I went over here, guys, and see where it says contacts. You go here. I'm going to show you real quick. I'm not going to show you the numbers because I don't want to reveal people's information, but all you do is go over here. First, you create your list, like contact lists, and I made up a name. Okay, that's all I did. Okay, I just want to show you what I got. See all these lists I have back here? So right here, I called it voice drops. Okay, on 9/6, so 148 numbers. Okay, from my voice drop campaign. Okay, so all I did is I loaded them in there. Okay, I just loaded them up in there, and I sent a text message out, a follow-up message. I've come up
Welcome to SMS Lead Network. Did you know that 99% of text messages are read by the recipient?
Oh, sorry about that. So I loaded them up, and I followed up with them, and I've come up with a unique follow-up text message that I've sent them. Okay, and I noticed that some folks have created an account for Easy One Up. So the moral of this is, what you do, guys, is get started. I'll put the link below. Or just go to this website right here, Best Easy Work Income. Go through my funnel, okay, and check out this funnel. But this is one method, just one, okay, where we're going to use voice drops to drop a message into mobile numbers. We're going to use SMS phone leads, and we're going to use, this is what I'm doing. I said we're going to. This is what I'm doing, and I'm also using SMS Leads Network, okay? Those three things go together to make this work, okay? So it is working. Now, I'm going to come back with part 2 and show you how to do it with the Vertex lead system, okay? But this is the way to go, guys, okay? This text messaging thing, I've been talking about this for a while too. This is the way to go. Nobody leaves home without this phone, okay? Nobody. So, if they get a message and they think they missed a call, they're going to check it. And they might dial it back. If they dial it back, wonderful, because guess what they get when they dial it back? They automatically get text my website, okay? So you can't lose with this. So this is a great way to market and use these three systems, if you will, to get visitors to your FunnelX ROI sales funnel. All right, so I'm gonna I'm going to put my link below for Best Easy Work Income, which is my total funnel for FunnelX ROI. And then if you're already in it, okay, go ahead and get you a SMS phone leads phone number. Okay, so you can get the auto text, and it's $20 for that. You're gonna get a number, and you get 100 credits. Okay, so that'll get you started. Okay, now of course, guys, you could text these people back yourself, but remember, I had 148 numbers. I'm not gonna sit here and go through each one by one and text them when I could just upload all of them at one time and push a button and text everybody the same message at one time within seconds. Okay, and you can schedule that too. Okay, all right, guys. So until we meet again, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel, go ahead and click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. All right, and if you have any questions, give me a call, but please go through the funnel first, jot down your questions, and give me a call. I'd love to talk to you. All right, nice talking to you guys. I will see you on the next video. I'm going to do part 2 with the Vertex lead system. All right, you guys have a blessed day.